Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where we clear up the biggest confusions in English. I'm Emma.
TikTok, TikTok, come on.
Rahul, what are you doing? You look very intense.
I am waiting for my pizza delivery, Emma. The app says the driver is close. He will be here early.
Stop right there.
What? He is driving fast.
You used the wrong word, Rahul. You mean he will be here soon.
Early, soon, isn't it the same thing? It means fast time, right?
Not exactly. This is one of the most common mistakes English learners make. Today, we're going to fight the battle early versus soon.
Okay, I need to know this early. Soon before my pizza arrives.
Before we fix Rahul's grammar, we have a quick request.
Yes, please subscribe to Easy English Talk. Do it soon. Did I get that right?
Yes, perfect usage.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the difference. To understand these words, you need to know what they are connected to. Soon is connected to now. Early is connected to a schedule or a fixed time.
Okay, soon equals now. Early equals schedule.
Let's look at soon. It means a short time after the present moment.
So if I say see you soon, it means I will see you a short time from now.
Exactly. The movie is starting soon, maybe in 5 minutes from now. It will rain soon. Look at the clouds now.
Okay, now explain early.
Early means before the expected time or near the beginning of a period.
So let's look at my pizza. I ordered it for 1 p.m. If it arrives at 12:50 p.m.,
it is early. It beat the schedule.
But if I'm standing here at 12:55 p.m. and I say it's coming
soon, a short time from now.
Ooh, I see. Early is about the clock, 12:50 versus 1 o'clock. Soon is about the waiting, 5 minutes left.
Exactly. Let's try another situation. Sleeping. Rahul, if you wake up at 4 a.m., is that early or soon?
That is early, very early, because 4 a.m. is the beginning of the day.
Correct. Now imagine you're taking a nap. Your mom calls you and says, "Wake up." You say, "Okay, I will wake up."
I will wake up soon.
Why?
Because I will do it in 5 minutes from now. I can't say I will wake up early because I'm already sleeping.
Perfect logic.
Okay, Emma, tell me the mistakes people make. I want to avoid embarrassment.
Mistake number 1 is get well early.
I hear this a lot when someone is sick.
It is wrong. We say get well soon.
Why?
Because we want them to recover quickly from now. There's no schedule for sickness. You don't say, "I scheduled my flu to end at 5 p.m."
Ah, so get well soon.
Mistake number 2 is see you early.
That sounds weird. It sounds like you want to meet me at 5 a.m.
Exactly. If you say see you early, it means let's meet in the morning. If you just mean goodbye, see you in a bit, you must say see you soon.
Mistake number 3. I finished the test soon.
Wrong. You finished the test early.
Because there was a time limit, schedule. The test was 1 hour, I finished in 30 minutes.
Correct. You beat the clock, so you finished early.
Okay, I have a mental picture. Early is a calendar or a clock. Soon is an hourglass running out of sand.
That is a brilliant way to think about it.
If the sand is falling, it is happening soon. If I beat the alarm clock, I am early.
Rahul, you are becoming a teacher. Okay, let's test our listeners. And you. I will give you a sentence with a blank. You choose early or soon.
I am ready.
1. Hurry up, the bus is leaving.
Leaving from now so soon.
Correct. 2. My flight arrived 10 minutes.
It beat the schedule so early.
Correct. 3. I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
Tonight early.
Yes. Why?
Because I mean before my usual time. Maybe 9 p.m. instead of 11 p.m.
Excellent. 4. Please call me.
Call me quickly from now. Soon. Please call me soon.
Perfect. 5. He's in his early 30s.
Oh, the age one. He's in his early 30s.
You got 5 out of 5.
I feel much better. My pizza will be here soon, in 2 minutes, and because the driver drove fast, he arrived early, before the estimated time.
You mastered it.
Honestly, this was easier than I thought.
Listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below, fill in the blank. I hope to visit America, blank. Do you use early or soon?
Think about it. Visit America soon or visit America early?
Hint, is it a short time from now or is it 5 a.m.?
Tell us in the comments.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Doorbell rings. Pizza, it's here early. Yes!